What is a static site generator? How does it work? And what are the advantages of it? And do you need one? I've always advocated using static site generators for marketing content. I think they're a fantastic way to go, but they're not great for delivering value if you have large databases or if you have a lot of information that needs to be displayed in a variable way. So what is a static site generator? Well, first of all, a static site generator essentially creates your website beforehand. So most websites that you visit today, including content websites like WordPress websites, etc., they get a request from the browser and then they build on the fly an HTML page that is returned to the browser. Now, often this information is cached and so it can be served relatively quickly, but essentially every single request is potentially going to the server and updating the page that is built again on the fly. Whereas a static site generator presumes that the data and the content is going to remain relatively static and that you're going to purposefully recreate that data. And so in a static site generator, you're actually generating web pages the way the web was built originally, which means that the pages are sitting on a server and they're being served up. And the great advantage of this is that they're extremely fast. If you've been on our site, Rizoya.com, it was created by a static site generator, and you'll notice as you navigate around, it's very, very quick, but it uses very few resources to attain that goal. The other thing that the static site generators are good at is anything that is essentially content heavy. Believe it or not, you can actually search on it. You can do things that you would normally associate with a database. The new static site generators and the tools that they provide for you, like plugins and other accessories, can help you overcome sort of that bridge between it. But what are they not good at? Well, they're not really good at what I would call a web application. And a web application could be anything from an e-commerce site where you're constantly updating prices and product availability and tied directly into databases. Those pages need to be generated on the fly with the latest information available, especially when you get to the cart, checkout, your account area, order information, etc. Like those things need to be up to date to the second or even to the millisecond. But if you're presenting content for SEO purposes, etc., then static sites are a great way to go. The one that we use is called Hugo. There are several others out there, but I highly recommend you look into this if any part of your application or your business is presenting marketing information that doesn't change more than maybe a few times a day.